Uyazi kancane kancane lolu hlobo labantu abathi uma bengena kuma-relationships bangene ngenhloso yokuzokwakha nokuzofudumeza ikhaya, benze abantu bajabule emshadweni nasebudlelwaneni abanabo nabantu babo. Kuzohamba kuhamba luphele completely. Ngani? Ngoba esikhathini esiningi abantu besilisa nabantu besifazane abangathembekile bakwenza kube lukhuni ukuthi kube khona uthando leqiniso. Bakwenza kube lukhuni ukuthi nabanye abeza emva kwabo bathole abantu abazobathanda ngeqiniso.
Hello, sanibonani, Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona isihambela likude phezulu. Do join.
Namhlanje I received a bit of a disturbing call and texts from Buti thizeni oyi-subscriber yala ekhaya. Wenza into engajwayelekile ukuyizwa yenziwa abantu besilisa. Isikhathi esiningi abantu besifazane soloko bathola begijima ngemuva benza lezi zinto. Okwamanje leyo ndaba ngizoke ngiyifake phansi kwetafula ke ngizama ukuyilungisa ngendlela engiyilungisa ngayo ngoba i-sensitive. Kodwa ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ulawo uyi-life graduate ulandela lezi zitori ne-podcast as a whole, you are here ukuzofunda isifundo from each and everything eyenzakalayo emhlabeni. Ubhuti wabantu ufuna iy'ngane zakhe. Usisi wathandana naye, mebeqeda ukuthandana naye, abanye abantu bebethatha isisu bayalwisana. Shuthi wathi mengabe aliswa indoda, kwawukuhlukana kwabo-ke loko, wahamba wadlulela phambili waqoma enye indoda nesisu senye indoda. Hence manje leyo ngane uthi eyale ndoda entsha ahlangana nayo. Akafuni nokuthi kwenziwe i-DNA. Ubhuti uthi kade ezama ukuthi kwenziwe i-DNA and ufuna iy'ngane zakhe zazana. Akafuni iy'nto ey'ningi, akashongo ukuthi uzobaphuca ingane. Ufuna nje ukuthi ingane imazi ukuthi ukhona ubani baba wangempela, ayi-introduce ekhaya kubo. And okubuhlungu iyabonakala le ngane la bephila khona, la behlala khona iyafana naye. Yeah. Okwamanje sizoke sibeke eceleni, sisebenze ebumnyameni. Sizoyiletha ekukhanyeni uma ngabe sesithola indlela ebheka phambili ngoba i-sensitive isi-involve iy'mpilo zabantu. So asikwazi ukuba i-podcast noma sibe i-channel e-reckless ngey'mpilo zabantu ngoba lento njengoba isi-involve iy'ngane ziyakhula. Kusasa zizoyibona lento kwi-internet bese zithatha ama-side or noma bese zigxeka othile osey'mpilweni zabo, either umama either ubaba, kodwa zizothola ithuba lokugxeka. Kanti asifuni ukuzokwenza uqhekeko. Inhloso ye-podcast akukona ukwenza uqhekeko, ukwenza ubumbano, ukubuyisa abantu, ukukhulisa nokufundisa abantu. Yingakho sikhona la. So nje ngithi angudlulise lo mlayezo and-ke angazi aba-understand-a kahle lezi zinto ze-spirituality nenyanga. Izolo njengoba ngirekhoda namhlanje umhla ka-8, izolo bekumhla ka-7, bekune-red full moon, kodwa bekuyi-full moon, asiyibambe ku-full moon. If uya-understand-a kahle lezi zinto ukuthi zisi-affect-a kanjani or sizi-align-a kanjani no-full moon ukuze izinto zethu zihambe ngendlela zikhanye, awusichazele kuma-comment section ngoba ngiyafisa ukufundisa ngalezi zinto but I am not very clued up. That's one thing engingayi-understand ngempela ukuthi yenzeka kanjani. But what I'm noticing is the fact that angikholelwa kukona and angikwazi angiku-understand, kodwa kune-alignment somehow eyenzakalile. The reason ngikhuluma ngale story salo bhuti ngingakosifaki, it's because namhlanje as well ngiqale my therapy sessions, as I highlighted ukuthi I want to start my healing journey, and somebody told me ukuthi during the full moon it's the time whereby you must align yourself, try uku-identify izinto empilweni yakhe ezikubuyisela emuva, and then ufocus kokusha, and yeah, yonke leyo into leyo. Kodwa funny enough, when I booked my session, I didn't even know ukuthi ngiyoyibooka lo mhla ka-8 engiwuchuzile. It's a Monday after the full moon, and I find a sense of, yeah, I don't know, kodwa ke angikho lapho. I'm a little bit down. Ngivuke ngigula nje today. Nayizolo I felt really sick. Angazi noma mina kuphela yini ukuthi in my old age, if I may put it that way, but ever since from my late 30s up until now, I'm on the 4th floor. I'm struggling with period pains that are getting heavier and heavier each and every year. I grow, I become wiser. Period pains, they just become hectic. Ngivuke ngigula, angazi flu, angazi period, angazi bekukuningi nje, bengigula. And to top it up with the fact that I went for my session, and when you open up old wounds, things that you were thinking ukuthi you've made peace with them, but uma ngabe usuqala open up uzikhuluma, it's a different game altogether. It left me quite emotional, and it so happened ukuthi before I went there I had received a call kalo bhuti engikhuluma ngayo, and ngakhumbula istory esinye engiye ngasisendelwa I think 2-3 weeks ago. Ngiloke ngisizibile because besifuna ukungibuyisela back to some of the things as similar to the pains that I also went through while I was still married, and some of the things that actually led to a decision where I decided to yeah, that's it. I did not sign up for this. So yeah, so maybe let me tell the story, even though I am a bit down. So forgive me if my energy is not what you are used to. I'm only human. Yeah. But trust and believe, Uguti, this is when I'm here with you, the connection that I feel when I tell these stories, other people's stories, when I do some of the stories as Policing Ngondo, when we have this moment, trust and believe, Uguti, to me, it's not just content. To me, it's not just Uguti, there is a potential to make money on YouTube. It's larger, it's bigger than me. Each and every time, I always feel overwhelmed. Izinto abantu abangithumelela zona, izinto izitori abantu abangithemba ngazo, I always like feel so overwhelmed, because ngiye ngithi hayibo, me. A stranger is trusting me with their secrets. A stranger is trusting me with their problems. And I remember I mentioned this today to my therapist, Uguti. It's so overwhelming, Uguti. You find a person, you speak to a person for hours, or you listen to voice notes that people send me for hours on end, because some of them they become very, very long. Umuntu will send a voice note after voice note after voice note, because story side. To a point, I'm even like, out of all the people who are doing the similar content as mine, this person chose me. This person trusted me with the story side. This person believed Uguti, I can make a difference. Mina. Me. Impilo guys asingayithathi kancane, ijulile. Yazi impilo ijulile. Masila emhlabeni sizele ukuzophila, but you find that ukuthi kwabanye abantu impilo yabo yonke kungazukuthi bazalelwa ipain, kungazukuthi bazalelwa ukusokola. Abanye abantu kungazukuthi bazela ukuzozalelwa ukudlala abanye abantu, if I may put it that way. Abanye kube ngazukuthi bazalelwa ukubukela abanye abantu bephila. Angazi noma ikhona into enjalo. Angazi noma nike niyibone into enjalo whereby you looking or you uzwa inkinga yomuntu uze uzibuze ukuthi hayibo Nkosi yami, has there ever been a time lo muntu wakuthola nje ukujabula noma kanye? Usilalela istory uzwe ugodola kushisa, ugodole kushisa uthi hey. But yeah, I took your advice. Thank you so much. There are some people who's been advising me ukuthi I must also go for therapy sessions myself, because there is a lot that I carry okunye akukona kwami, okuningi in fact akukona kwami, kufika nezitori okuningi kuqhamuka kwi-podcast. Laba abakade beyilandela i-podcast le siyenza on camera with a guest. And yeah, I just felt like I wanted to say that and just say thank you to all of you for being here, supporting the channel, watching the adverts. I can see as well ukuthi ama channel members which ayakhula, and I know ukuthi some of you will soon be giving us some super thanks and things that will even give us more support. I do appreciate. I just want to say ukuthi you are more than just subscribers to me. You are a part of me that angingasakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwayo, angisho nje kanjalo. So it has just become a routine to me ukuthi when I come home after work, my way of distressing and relaxing is to sit, read the stories, listen to the voice note that came through during the day, and I pick a story and trust and believe with each and every story that I pick, I don't pick it out of excitement. There is a criteria that I use. I prioritize certain stories over stories, because I know ukuthi baningi abanye abasezakalayo ngalezi story. Baningi abanye who are on the verge of giving up in life, kodwa umuntu afike la abuke istory bese yabona ukuthi hayi ngihleze ngicabanga ukuthi nginenkinga, kodwa ngazi sezame izinkinga zingcono kunalento esengike ngayizwa ixoxo sesizande ngomuntu ophila impilo engajwayelekile nohlukumezeke ngendlela ethile. So yeah, ubukhona bakho la kule channel kusho lukhulu kimi. Let me just tell you. And as I go on to unpack my healing journey, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to record those sessions, kodwa, because they are highly private, and I'm also respecting his space, same psychologist yami. So I know ukuthi I will be ready very soon to unpack for you what went down, and to unpack for you me, myself and I, And maybe you will soon realize why I'm doing what I'm doing, because if ngikusho mina ngomlomo wami ukuthi I'm doing this type of a content because of 1 2 3, mhlawumbe ungase ungangizwa kangcono, kodwa uma usowazi esami story, it will start to make sense to you as well. Moso uzwa esami story, it will start making sense to you to understand ukuthi why am I so passionate about trying by all means ukusiza umuntu, let alone ukusiza umuntu ongamazi, ongazange waze wamhlangana naye before. And abaningi balabo bantu labo, they've become part of me. They are my family. Through the podcast ngithole iy'ngane, nenqwaba iy'ngane ezithi ma kumina, ezithembele kumina in so many different ways. Umuntu azi ukuthi noma enenkinga abhekene nayo, makafuna i-advice kufanele eze kumina, because he or she knows ukuthi yeah, I'm there and angeke ngimlahlekise. I've got sisters now and I've got friends too. On my WhatsApp, I've got people that are now my friends, and I met them through the podcast, and it's heartwarming. It's really heartwarming, I must say. Kodwa-ke nonetheless, let me do the story. Angeke ngisasenza kule clip le ngoba seyinde already. So it's just me venting and me showing my gratitude towards you. Yeah. Let us do a story on another video. Do join.